Good afternoon, guys. Jacob from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida here. Today I wanted to take the time to show you our new consignment listing that we just took in. This is a 2020 SHEARWATER 25 Carolina LT edition. Now, they've taken a lot of features that were very popular on the 26-foot model and have implemented them into the 25-foot. One of the biggest things is being the recessed backrests that are in the front of the boat. The seats are not put in yet, but they do have seats that just slide in. I'll show you more once we hop in. Has a very nice big size fiberglass hardtop, provides a lot of shade. There's a lot of cool features in there that I'll show you more. This boat is powered with a Yamaha 300 4-stroke outboard, as well as paired with twin power pole 8-foot blades. Let's get inside and show you some more. Thank you for hopping up here with me. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there is a lot of cool features on this boat that was implemented in from the very popular 26 model. One of the quick ones that pops out to me right away is that this boat combines the luxury boating as well as fishing. This boat has three live wells on it. So if you have multiple different styles of baits that you like to fish, there is a designated spot throughout the boat. There is one here in the traditional back seat center area. This also is a flip up bench seat, so if you have additional guests with you, they have a place to sit. There is another live well right here, so if you have people fishing on the back section, there's a quick way for them to get to their bait as well if someone else is already in here and the center one. As we move forward, this is paired with twin Garmin 86 16 screens, does have a jack plate, trim tabs, and then one of the coolest features in my opinion on this boat is this fiberglass hardtop. If you look up here, there's a lot going on. So what we have up here is we do have spreader lights that illuminate the back section of the boat, so you have plenty of light in the early mornings, later afternoon times if you want to re-rig or just kind of get prepped for the day. This also has misters that will help rinse off the salt water if you guys are out at the island or sandbar and you're swimming all day, you want to rinse off and get all the salt water off of you. We do have misters here. This boat is very loud. It has a lot of subwoofers and speakers, so if you are a audio person, you're really gonna love this boat. This boat is a head turner when you're out there bumping the stereo for sure. You do have a VHF radio for any direct communications while you are offshore. This is more of a bay boat style, but it also has the luxury of being able to go offshore if that's your forte. So now that we've kind of talked about here, let's finish up at the front. And finishing up into the front section of the boat, I mentioned earlier this has three live wells. There's one in the center of the back of the boat and the leaning post, and the third one is here on the front of the center console. It actually pairs as a seat, so once you're done using that, it flips forward, you have a live well. I did also mention earlier there is backrests available that will insert right here, so you do have nice forward loungers as well as rod locking storage compartments. Two very big size storage compartments here, so if you have extra water toys for activities that day that you want to bring with you, you got a place to put them. This does have a motor guide trolling motor that will keep you on the spot when you're fishing, as well as preserve your outboard for when you're traveling those flats, fishing those for the redfish or trout. Again, this is the SHEARWATER 25 Carolina. This is our new consignment listing. If you want to come see it, hear anything more about it, give me a call. I'm Jacob Wright at MarineMax, 850-819-9106. Thank you.
Yeah.